So since we initially started what we were doing, a big thing we wanted to promote and encourage was socialising. And just by proxy, we ended up getting a lot of carers who would use the hub in various groups and whatnot. And we found that it became pretty clear that they were crying out for a space just to be able to chill, unwind, take ownership of. So a lot of the clubs, they became a big part of leading those clubs and growing those clubs. And yeah, so we've tried to facilitate that by creating a space that is welcoming to them, has the things that they want. They helped us evolve into what we are now. And yeah, growing from there really. The autism sessions were just fantastic. Like we tailored them to be a bit quieter, just to make it more comfortable for people to come into. And we met some wonderful people, carers particularly, and their families that have become friends of the hub and supported the hub.
Okay, so I think the biggest thing we've done as Lakeside Boathouse is allow the young carers a little bit of time and freedom to think about themselves. Most of their time is spent up looking after family members, whereas we've allowed them to come here and be children and just have fun on the water. And I think that's really, really important as we realise how much work they do with their families and actually what they miss out on as a part of a childhood. So we need to really, really sort of give them back a bit of childhood time and them time. But one of the big things I think for people to support young carers is to sort of find out what they need. They may need some more time in the shop, maybe a little bit of help and support. I think that's the biggest thing, is speaking to them and finding out how you can help them specifically. Every business can help in different ways. So the best thing is communication with them.
About supporting young carers, I think it's really important to understand their background or understand what their needs are, because we all know and we all take it for granted in our busy lives that everybody's the same, but some people need a little bit of help. They don't realise what their home life behind closed doors is. So I think it's really important to understand young carers and support young carers, because they do an absolutely fantastic job.